So we have a quick overview of differentiating some slightly more complicated products using trigonometry and with the product rule. Now this is going to cause us some issues with some of the problems we're going to have, so we have to understand what the process is in this one. Now if you remember those rules that we talked about in class, we're using that little diagram. We can differentiate to something like cos lambda t squared quite easily because we differentiate the angle, which is the lambda t squared part, which gives us 2 lambda t. Cos goes to minus sine, so we write sine lambda t squared and then we stick our negative sign at the beginning. But what happens if I want to differentiate that a second time? So it's a slightly more complicated expression. This is now a product of two functions. So what I'm doing is I'm differentiating minus 2 lambda t, one of my functions, and sine lambda t squared, which is the second of my functions. So I have to use the product rule to be able to use this, to be able to differentiate this. The product rule says d by dx of uv equals v du dx plus u dv dx. Probably the easiest way to remember this. So differentiating this product, the way we do it is we differentiate the first term, so we get minus 2 lambda times by the second term, and then we differentiate the second term and times it by the first term. So really, it's a nice simple pattern to do that, and then it's a case of simplifying it afterwards to ensure that we can get things in the nicest possible way.